Greetings from Exam Heist. We have identified important exam questions. Practice these important questions 2-3 times to get 100% success in exam. Subscribe and comment, share PDF in the below comment section to get PDF of these 40 important questions. If you want to access full dump, please visit www.examheist.com. We have 24/7 support available for your doubts and exam queries. Question 1. A company plans to implement Dynamics 365 supply chain management. The company wants shop floor workers to register their daily work by using the production floor execution interface. Which two activities can employees perform by using the tool? Each correct answer presents a complete solution note. Each correct selection is worth 1 point. Option A. Schedule a production order. Option B. Register scrap quantity during production. Option C. Register raw material consumption. Option D. Clock in and clock out. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option B. Register scrap quantity during production. Option D. Clock in and clock out. Question 2. A candle manufacturing company plans to use Dynamics 365 supply chain management. The proportions of ingredients differ for each finished product. You need to recommend a manufacturing type for the company. Which type of manufacturing should the company implement? Option A. Process. Option B. Lean. Option C. Discrete. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option A. Process. Question 3. An organization has two legal entities. Items may be sold by one company only or by both companies. You need to recommend a solution to standardize the items across the legal entities. What should you recommend? Option A. Life cycle services. Option B. Item templates. Option C. Products and product masters. Option D. Product insights. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option C. Products and product masters. Question 4. A company implements Dynamics 365 Finance. Which two components can you use to create a financial dimension set? Each correct answer presents part of the solution note. Each correct selection is worth 1 point. Option A. Derived dimension. Option B. Financial dimension. Option C. Main account. Option D. Account structure. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option B. Financial dimension. Option C. Main account. Question 5. A company using Dynamics 365 Finance has determined they have been paying for products they did not receive. You need to recommend a solution to prevent this from happening in the future. What should you recommend? Option A. Implement accounts payable for three-way matching. Option B. Activate change management. Option C. Implement accounts receivable for three-way matching. Option D. Use the vendor portal. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option A. Implement accounts payable for three-way matching. Question 6. An international services company is implementing Dynamics 365 Finance. You need to help the implementation team set up the app. What must be created and configured first? Option A. Business unit. Option B. Chart of accounts. Option C. Project. Option D. Legal entity. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option D. Legal entity. Question 7. A company implements the performance management feature in Dynamics 365 Human Resources. Which performance management component can employees create by using the employee self-service workspace? Option A. Goals. Option B, workflows. Option C, performance reviews. Option D, performance journal. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option D, performance journal. Question 8. A company manufactures custom medications. You need to recommend a Dynamics 365 app that allows the company to manage the concentration of specific active ingredients, provide traceability of ingredients from supplier to customer, and substitute ingredients based on compound type. What should you recommend? Option A, Dynamics 365 Supply Chain Management. Option B, Dynamics 365 Product Insights. Option C, Dynamics 365 Customer Service. Option D, Dynamics 365 Asset Management. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option A, Dynamics 365 Supply Chain Management. Question 9. A company plans to implement a manufacturing solution that includes integrated rate shipping costs for distribution. You need to recommend a product to the company. What should you recommend? Option A, Dynamics 365 Sales. Option B, Dynamics 365 Field Service. Option C, Dynamics 365 Commerce. Option D, Dynamics 365 Supply Chain Management. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option D, Dynamics 365 Supply Chain Management. Question 10. A customer owes two vendors $500 each for services performed. The customer wants to post a lump sum of $1,000 to a bank to cover the payments. You need to be able to track vendor payments individually. Which feature should you recommend? Option A, ledger setup. Option B, journal voucher. Option C, bank reconciliation. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option B, journal voucher. Question 11. A retailer sells products by using an e-commerce site, brick-and-mortar stores, and phone sales. Different processes are used for each type of order source. You need to ensure that you can support each type of sale. What should you recommend? Option A, case management and loyalty programs. Option B, a mobile app and online sales. Option C, a retail store, an online store, and a call center. Option D, a mobile app and a credit card gateway. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option C, a retail store, an online store, and a call center. Question 12. A company wants to use sales, resourcing, project management, and expense tracking in a single application. What should the company implement? Option A, Dynamics 365 Project Operations. Option B, Dynamics 365 Finance. Option C, Dynamics 365 Business Central. Option D, Dynamics 365 Human Resources. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option A, Dynamics 365 Project Operations. Question 13. A company plans to implement Dynamics 365 Finance and Operations apps. The company wants to integrate Microsoft Teams with these applications. Which three platforms support Microsoft Teams integration? Each correct answer presents a complete solution note. Each correct selection is worth 1 point. Option A, Dynamics 365 Commerce. Option B, Power BI. Option C, Microsoft Dataverse. Option D, Dynamics 365 Customer Engagement, on premises. Option E, SharePoint Online. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option A, Dynamics 365 Commerce. Option B, Power BI. Option E, SharePoint Online. Question 14. A company plans to implement Dynamics 365 supply chain management. Which three actions can vendors perform? Each correct answer presents a complete solution note. Each correct selection is worth 1 point. Option A, change the inventory cost of items. Option B, submit invoices electronically. Option C, create transfer orders. Option D, approve purchase orders. Option E, respond to a request for quote, RFQ. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option B, submit invoices electronically. Option D, approve purchase orders. Option E, respond to a request for quote, RFQ. Question 15. A company implements Dynamics 365 supply chain management. The company uses external vendors to produce some parts. You need to recommend actions to manage vendor operations. Which three actions should you recommend? Each correct answer presents part of the solution note. Each correct selection is worth 1 point. Option A, update the status of production order operations that are subcontracted to completed when the vendor's work is done. Option B, create an operation for the subcontractor to track the progress of the vendor's work. Option C, assign each operation in a production order to multiple vendors. Option D, ensure that each production order relates to a single vendor. Option E, automatically generate purchase orders for operations that you subcontract to vendor. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option B, create an operation for the subcontractor to track the progress of the vendor's work. Option D, ensure that each production order relates to a single vendor. Option E, automatically generate purchase orders for operations that you subcontract to vendor. Question 16. A company that manufactures bottled and canned beverages implements Dynamics 365 supply chain management. Most products are packed in quantities of 12 or 24. You need to recommend a process to ensure that customers always purchase the products in these predefined package quantities. What should you recommend? Option A, set up purchase order multiples for the items. Option B, configure a standard order quantity for the items. Option C, create a purchase order and manually adjust the order quantities. Option D, set up a safety stock quantity for the items. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option A, set up purchase order multiples for the items. Question 17. A company uses Dynamics 365 supply chain management. You run a trace on raw materials. Which two types of products can you see in the trace output? Each correct answer presents a complete solution. Note, each correct selection is worth 1 point. Option A, finished products. Option B, byproducts. Option C, non-stocked items. Option D, core products. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option A, finished products. Option D, core products. Question 18. Which two modules are included in Dynamics 365 supply chain management? Each correct answer presents a complete solution note. Each correct selection is worth 1 point. Option A, product information management. Option B, Dynamics 365 remote assist. Option C, master planning. Option D, service hub. Option E, project management and accounting. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option C, master planning. Question 19. A company purchases Dynamics 365 Finance. Which two features can the company implement? Each correct selection presents a complete solution note. Each correct selection is worth 1 point. Option A, omnichannel. Option B, manufacturing. Option C, accounts receivable. Option D, general ledger. Option E, payment fraud prevention. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option C, accounts receivable. Option D, general ledger. Question 20. A company uses Dynamics 365 Finance to manage financial operations. The financial controller needs to present key performance indicators, KPIs, to the executive committee. You need to determine the appropriate reporting tool to present this information. Which reporting option should you use? Option A, business documents. Option B, operational views. Option C, electronic reporting. Option D, analytical workspace tab. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option D, analytical workspace tab. Question 21. A company plans to open the following stores. You need to ensure that Dynamics 365 Commerce can receive all needed data from the stores. Which feature should you implement? Option A, point of sale, POS. Option B, monitor and analysis. Option C, channel management. Option D, mobile commerce. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option C, channel management. Question 22. A company implements Dynamics 365 Commerce. The company needs to increase customer loyalty by setting up loyalty programs. You need to identify customer loyalty options that the company can utilize. Which three options are available for loyalty programs? Each correct answer presents a complete solution note. Each correct selection is worth 1 point. Option A, track customer participation in the loyalty program. Option B, store customer data on likes and dislikes and easily retrieve it when required. Option C, transfer reward balance from one card to another. Option D, define refund rules to identify when and how a customer can return items. Option E, define earning rules to outline how a customer can earn points. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option A, track customer participation in the loyalty program. Option C, transfer reward balance from one card to another. Option E, define earning rules to outline how a customer can earn points. Question 23. A company uses Dynamics 365 Human Resources. The company establishes new department and hires employees to staff the department. The company wants to manage annual employee reviews. What are two capabilities of Dynamics 365 Human Resources? Performance management. Each correct answer presents a part of the solution note. Each correct selection is worth 1 point. Option A, performance journals. Option B, personal actions. Option C, competencies. Option D, goals. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option C, competencies. Option D, goals. Question 24. A company implements the performance management feature in Dynamics 365 Human Resources. Which performance management component can employees create by using the employee self-service workspace? Option A, workflows. Option B, performance reviews. Option C, performance journal. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option C, performance journal. Question 25. A construction services firm plans to standardize financial and payroll functions. including the capability of adding timesheets to track work and costs for community improvement projects. You need to recommend a solution for the company. What should you recommend? Option A, Power Platform. Option B, Dynamics 365 Project Operations. Option C, Dynamics 365 Human Resources. Option D, Dynamics 365 Supply Chain Management. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option B, Dynamics 365 Project Operations. Question 26. A company is using Dynamics 365 Project Operations for a project implementation and internal project is being funded by 3 different organizations. The project billing should be standardized. You need to implement functionality to split the invoicing of the project. Which project component should you use? Option A, invoicing. Option B, budgets. Option C, expenses. Option D, subcontracts. Option E, contracts. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option E, contracts. Question 27. A company uses Dynamics 365 Finance and Power BI. The company plans to analyze operational data for retail stores that they operate across the United States. The company wants to analyze customer visit data based on the population in the areas where stores are located. You need to recommend a Power BI visualization for the company. Which Power BI visualization should you recommend? Option A, basic maps. Option B, donut chart. Option C, bar chart. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option A, basic maps. Question 28. An international hotel company implements Dynamics 365 Finance. You need to help the hotel company identify email integration capabilities. What are 2 valid use cases for sharing Dynamics 365 Finance documents with customers by using email integration? Each correct answer presents part of the solution. Note: each correct selection is worth 1 point. Option A, customers negotiate prices for hotel reservations with company agents by using their personal email addresses. Option B, a customer registers a complaint online regarding their stay at any of the company's hotels. Option C, the company sends statements to customers based on request. Option D, the company emails invoices to customers after their hotel stay. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option A, customers negotiate prices for hotel reservations with company agents by using their personal email addresses. Option D, the company emails invoices to customers after their hotel stay. Question 29. A retainer plans to deploy Dynamics 365 Commerce. You need to be able to scan items and collect payments for sales in a store by using a physical credit card device. The solution must run within a browser window. What should you implement? Option A, cloud point of sale. Option B, e-commerce. Option C, Power Apps. Option D, modern point of sale. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option D, modern point of sale. Question 30. A company uses Dynamics 365 Commerce. The company needs to schedule several base Dynamics 365 Commerce reports. The reports must print statistics about inventory sales from the previous week every Sunday night to a physical printer. You need to identify the right tool. Which tool should you use? Option A, Power BI. Option B, Microsoft SQL Server Reporting Services SSRS. Option C, Microsoft Excel. Option D, Management Report. Option E, Chart Controls. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option B. Microsoft SQL Server Reporting Services SSRS. Question 31. A company is implementing Dynamics 365 Commerce for retail operations and Dynamics 365 Supply Chain Management for warehousing and financial operations. You need to import small groups of new customers and edit existing customers. Which two tools should you use? Each correct answer presents a complete solution note. Each correct selection is worth 1 point. Option A, Data Management Workspace. Option B, Data Upgrade Tool. Option C, Microsoft Dynamics Office Add-in for Microsoft Word. Option D, Microsoft Dynamics Office Add-in for Microsoft Excel. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option A, Data Management Workspace. Option D, Microsoft Dynamics Office Add-in for Microsoft Excel. Question 32. A company uses Dynamics 365 Finance. The company wants to configure the ledger entries for importing letters of credit. You need to identify which business process to configure. Which business process should you use? Option A, set up settlements. Option B, manage letters of guarantee. Option C, reconcile bank accounts. Option D, deposit bank funds. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option B, manage letters of guarantee. Question 33. A company uses Dynamics 365 Commerce. The company is launching a new product line for select stores. The company wants to ensure that stores participating in the launch receive the new products. Stores that are not participating in the launch must not be able to order the products. You need to recommend a method to help the company launch the new product line. What should you recommend? Option A, define products for distribution using product assortment. Option B, define products for distribution using security roles. Option C, control product distribution using purchase agreement. Option D, control product distribution using trade agreement. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option A, define products for distribution using product assortment. Question 34. A company implements Dynamics 365 Commerce with Power BI. The company needs to use predefined Power BI reports for designing new reports to meet additional requirements. You need to identify a feature that can provide the basis for the reports. Which feature should you use? Option A, data packages. Option B, deployable packages. Option C, content packs. Option D, entity store. Option E, report extensions. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option C, content packs. Question 35. A company uses Dynamics 365 Finance and Power BI. The company wants to use Power BI to create high volume, near real-time reports. You need to identify how the company can meet this requirement. Which option should you use? Option A, SQL Server Reporting Services SSRS. Option B, Microsoft Excel. Option C, Power BI Tiles. Option D, Entity Store. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option D, Entity Store. Question 36. A company is evaluating the functionality of Dynamics 365 Finance and Operations apps. The company wants to display multiple master data records to add, delete, and update the data. You need to recommend the type of form to use to display the master data. Which form type should you recommend? Option A, list. Option B, fast tab. Option C, parameters. Option D, details. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option A, list. Question 37. A company is implementing Dynamics 365 project operations for services operations. The company needs to estimate the full time resources required to complete different tasks for a new project. You need to identify which feature should be used for the requirement. Which feature should you use? Option A, project stages. Option B, scheduling modes. Option C, work breakdown structure WBS. Option D, resource utilization. Option E, booking allocation method. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is option D, resource utilization.